How to contact Tawasal support fast. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to contact Tawasal support as fast as possible. So to contact the Tawasal support right here, all we need to do right now is open up our Tawasal right here. So there's a few ways. You can just email them at Tawasal, or you can just do it in the app itself. It's much more a little bit much more faster. So here, open up your Tawasal right here. Once your Tawasal is open up right here, click on the settings icon on the bottom right corner right there. As you can see right there, there's a settings icon right there. Press on that right there. After pressing the settings icon on the bottom right corner, all we need to do is go down till you see ask questions right there. Here at the ask question, press on ask question right here. So here, there you go. Tawasal support right here. Say hello. Now right here, now we're just gonna have ourselves. We're gonna um, ask them, how can I contact you for support? There you go. You can do that, and then with a few minutes, a few seconds, Tawasal support will be able to respond to you, and they can either send you email or you can just talk right here. I need help. There you go. Now it's gonna answer you. I ask you what you need once they obviously once they go online, because last seen is yesterday at 8:14 p.m. So you just have to wait for a few minutes. So but if you can't wait, I suggest contacting them right here. I suggest you can do like contacting them like uh for contact Tawasal. I think the Tawasal phone number is plus 971 26320711971, and you're able to contact them. So yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. Anyways, guys, there you guys. That's how you do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, concerns, happy to question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here. How to rock it, guys. There you go, guys. And thank you, guys.